Welcome back, children. It's Mrs. Vijayalakshmi back to your English class for Standard 7. Yes, children, you must be knowing the proverb work is worship. It is a real fact. Worship is not worshipping all the religions, but worship is that the what we work with satisfaction. Whatever work we do, we should do with satisfaction. Work is worship. Dear students, in this session, we are going to study the poem Work is Worship, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was born on May 7, 1861, in Calcutta. Rabindranath Tagore was a famous poet who wrote short story, and he was a story writer, song composer, essayist, novelist, painter, philosopher, social reformer, and dramatist, and he was born on May 7, 1861, in Calcutta. Rabindranath Tagore was a composer of our national anthem Jana Gana Mana. Then Rabindranath Tagore became the first non European to receive the Nobel Prize for Literature for the composing and writing the book Gitanjali. Rabindranath Tagore, he died in the year 1941, August 7th, at Calcutta. He was the first non European to receive the Nobel Prize for the Literature, and he got the collection of Gitanjali published in London. Yes, children, now let us go to the poem Work is Worship, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Yes, the poet speaks admonishingly to an idler who does not like the idol worshipper. What God really wants is hard work. Here, admonishingly means advisingly, strictly. Now, dear children, I am going to read the poem Work is Worship. Please listen and follow to my words. Leave this chanting and singing and telling of beads. Whom dost thou worship in this lonely dark corner of a temple with doors all shut? Open thine eyes and see thy God is not before thee. He is there where the tiller is tilling the hard ground, and where the pathmaker is breaking stones. He is with them in sun and in shower, and his garment is covered with dust. Put off thy holy mantle, and even like him, come down on the dusty soil. Deliverance? Where is the deliverance to be found? Our Master Himself has joyfully taken upon Him the bonds of creations. He is bound with us all forever. Come out of thy meditation and leave aside thy flowers and incense. What harm is there if thy clothes become tattered and stained? Meet him and stand by him in toil and in sweat of thy brow. Yes, children. Yes, children, you must have been followed what I have read. So, let us go to the explanation of this poem. Work is worship. In the poem, work is worship. Rabindranath Tagore says that work is a real worship. Without work, life is dull and not interestingly, we feel depressed. Now, open your textbooks. In the first 5 lines, leave this chanting and singing and telling of beads. Whom dost thou worship in this lonely, dark corner of a temple with doors all shut? Dost means do, thou means you. In the first 5 lines, the poet advises the worshipper to give up chanting, singing, and telling of gifts. He tells us, God is not just confined to the temple to sit in the lonely dark corner of a temple with doors all shut. Whom do you worship in this lonely dark corner of a temple with doors all shut? In this way, the poet wants to tell the worshipper to stop the idol worship. He tells God pleases only with the person who works very hard and is a hard worker. Now, next 5 lines, open thy eyes and see thy God is not before thee. He is there where the tiller is tilling the hard ground and where the pathmaker is breaking stones. Here, thine means your, yours, thy, your, thee, you. In these lines, the poet is asking the worshipper to open his eyes and see that God is not before him. Though he sits for a long meditation, he tells God is found in the person with the who is a tiller and is tilling the hard ground, and where the pathmaker is breaking stones and making paths. The poet just wants to tell us instead of finding God, we in a dark place we can find God in our work. He tells to find God in the work where we tell work is worship. Now the next 4 lines, he is with them in sun and in shower, and his garment is covered with dust. Put off thy holy mantle, and even like him, come down on the dusty soil. In these lines, the poet says that the God is with the tiller who is tilling the hard ground, and the pathmaker who is breaking the stones. Though his garment is covered with dust, he works in hot sun and shower. The poet asks the worshipper to see the God with them who is seen in the sun and shower. He also tells the worshippers to put off the holy mantle and even like him come down on the dusty soil. Here, holy mantle means covering worn for religious worship. Now, please look at the next 4 lines. Deliverance. Where is this deliverance to be found? Our Master Himself has joyfully taken upon Him the bonds of creation. He is a bond with us for all forever. Here, deliverance, it is the state in which you feel you are saved from bad conditions. So, the poet says, deliverance is not to be found in temples. God has taken upon Himself the bonds of creation. He is bound with us all forever. God is always with us. Now, please look at the last 6 lines. Come out of thy meditation and leave aside the flowers and incense. What harm is there if thy clothes become tattered and stained? Meet him and stand by him in toil and in sweat of thy brow. Here, incense is the substance that is burned for sweet smell. Tattered, torn, toil, hard work. In the last 6 lines, the poet asks the worshippers to give up the meditation and leave aside their flowers and incense. What harm is there if God is there in ourselves? God is everywhere. He asks the worshippers to join the tiller and the path work maker and work hard like them. He tells there is no harm if our clothes are torn and tattered. Finally, the poet says if you want to see God, you have to work hard, that is, hard work. In this, the poet speaks admonishingly to an idler and tells him that God does not like idol worship form of worship. What is really pleases God is hard work. So, this is the explanation of work is worship. So, you must have been all like this poem and the explanation of work is worship written by Rabindranath Tagore. Now, I am going to end up the explanation of this poem, Work is Worship. Thank you. Saku.